Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing good. My name is Mary. What is your name?
Yeah, I'm Ujjwal.
Ujwal?
Yeah,
Very cool. Nice to meet you, Ujwal.
yeah, nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from India and I'm from the northern part of India.
Oh, that's cool. I just
Yeah.
talked to someone who was from India.
Oh, that's good. So,
Yeah.
so where was he from?
Oh, I don't know. Just India.
Okay.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Um, so, how long have you been on Cambly for?
Yeah, I've been using the cambly application for over 2 months. Yeah.
Oh, good. Is it useful?
Yeah, it is useful, I think, because like in my experience, when I wasn't on Cambly, so I am unable to speak too confidently, and I didn't brush up my confident level that time. But now when I started to using Cambly, so yeah, I brushed up my confident level like as very good stage. So now I can talk to everyone and I can speak. Yeah, so it is very good application.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
You sound pretty good. I can hear your accent, but your English and your words are good.
Thank
Uh,
you, thank you.
yeah, you're welcome. Did you go to school and learn English, or how did you pick up English?
Yeah, I used to watch a lot of English movies on YouTube when
Hmm.
I was thinking now the time has came to learn English because I was understand that time. Now the English is very important. So I started to watch English movies on YouTube in American accent because to understand a different accent is become too hard. So I started to understand different accent on YouTube. Then I was thinking that now I should join Cambly at that time. Yeah. So now I am here. Like I can understand your accent, so I can interact with you. So yeah, that's why I joined Cambly.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Um, let's see. What opportunities do you think will be present to you now that you know English?
What is the presentation?
What opportunities do you think English helps you
Like,
get?
oh, okay. Firstly, uh, like or opportunities. By the way, I have my own business basically. So this is my biggest opportunity because my English will very useful in my business.
Yeah,
So that's why I'm learning English. So it's a big opportunity that I'm learning English for my business. Yes.
yeah, that's very good. Are you wanting to expand your business someday?
Yeah, obviously, like my business, I've just started the business. So, like we are manufacturer of handicraft products. We produce our product and sell them globally in global market.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's cool.
So now we have shipped a lot of shipment in New Zealand. There was a buyer named Unice Taylor. So for some reasons, I stopped to working with them, but now I'm looking for to work with America, USA. So I'm looking for some that type of agent who can help me to increase my sale, who can help me to like I can interact with the buyers. So I'm looking for that person who can help me.
Yeah, very good. Um, have you ever traveled outside of India?
No, I haven't traveled outside of India. I've traveled India a lot.
You traveled inside India a lot, though.
Hmm. Yeah, I've traveled in India a lot.
That's good. Do you want to travel outside of India?
Yeah, obviously, because I want to explore the whole world.
Yeah,
If I'll graduate, yeah, now I'm doing my graduation. So whenever I'll graduate, and yeah, whenever I'll graduate, so I obviously wanted to travel outside of India, like America, Russia, Canada, yeah, UK. So yeah.
yeah, that's good.
So have you
Um,
traveled? outside of US?
Have I? Yeah. I've traveled to Egypt.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I got to see the pyramids. You know.
Yeah, yeah. Pyramids, I know.
Yeah, they're pretty cool. You should
Yeah.
travel to Egypt sometime.
Obviously. Okay.
um, let's see. Do you have any like specific questions about English that you want to know?
Specific questions. I have a lot of questions, but I asked many questions to do with the previous teachers. So yeah, I
Hmm.
can. Okay, I can ask you. Like, okay. So, what is the precious gift which you have ever had?
I'm sorry.
What is the precious gift which you have ever had?
The precious gift.
Yeah. No.
Uh, can you say that one more time?
Yeah, like I'm saying, which is the precious gift which you have ever had from someone?
The most precious gift I have ever heard from someone. I don't know. Give me an example.
Like, you can achieve something. Like, I'm saying the gift which you have ever achieved from someone.
Mm,
Someone gifted you any gift, precious gift.
any gift I have received someone. Uh, my mother, she gave me life.
Oh my God, there's a different answer. Okay, okay. That's good.
um,
Okay.
um, I am Muslim, so I've received the Quran. So that's a good one.
So, you are Muslim.
Mm.
Okay, so yeah. I can see your, what is this?
It's called a hijab.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
So, like, how many Muslim percentage lives in US?
Oh, I don't know. Not too much. Um, they're just like in small communities around United States. Um,
Okay.
yeah,
I think the majority gives to the Christians.
yeah. The majority is Christians for sure.
Yeah.
Um, not too many other religions. It's mostly like Christianity and Islam.
Mm, yeah. Good.
What about you? Are you religious?
Yeah, I'm Hindu, basically.
Hindu? That's cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
Um, I know there's a lot of um, different things about Hinduism,
A
right?
lot of different things. Like what?
Um, like I don't know much about it. Can you tell me about it?
Yeah, like my name is Ujjwal Sharma. So I'm belongs from Brahman family. So firstly, I'm a vegetarian. I don't
Mm,
eat I don't eat non-veg. And like this is a very, I'm lucky that I don't eat non-veg. So and I love to the animals. So
mm-hmm,
yeah, this is the first thing about me. But in Hindu, like we have a lot of type of festivals like Holi, Diwali, and Raksha Bandhan. I think you heard about that. So we have a
mm,
lot of type of festivals, and we enjoy it with a lot of happiness. So yeah, we have a lot
mm.
of things. Yeah.
What kind of? You said you're vegetarian. What kind of food do you eat?
Yeah, like yeah, about vegetarian. So we eat roti, dal, and the simple sabji, and yeah, we can eat fast food, junk food also. So this
What's your favorite fast food?
fast food. So about my favorite fast food, I like dosa mostly
What is
and
that?
momos. Dosa, you don't know?
No.
I so maybe dosa is an Indian food. So yeah, dosa is a type of uh, big chapati,
Mm-hmm.
and there's the middle of dosa, the sailor. I think I don't know about much. Like there's a kind of chapati, so it's a very tasty. Yeah,
Okay, that's cool. I just
yeah,
wanted to know. Because
mm,
I know that India, it's beautiful. India is beautiful. You guys have a lot of food, a lot of animals. The person I was talking to before you, we were
yeah.
talking about his hometown, and he lived near the jungle,
Oh,
and he said that there are monkeys there, and I said I have never seen a monkey before, and I want to
oh.
pet. And he
You have
said,
never seen monkey.
"Huh?
You have never seen monkey.
No."
Oh my God.
Yeah. So I was really interested in learning about the monkeys there, and he said he's never pet a monkey before. He said when he was a kid, he didn't know anything about the animals, but he said the monkey would be sitting on the tree, and he would have a rock, and he would throw the rock at the monkey, and he would run away.
Hmm. Yeah, it's normal in villages mostly, villages and jungles.
Yeah.
Basically, I'm from the city, so
Mm,
I'm from the big city, so it's a district also. So even I can't see monkey here and there. So yeah, we have to go some villages and some jungles to see the monkey. But yeah, like I've seen monkey a lot of times.
mm.
Yeah, so like it's a good to see any animal, to different animal. Yeah, and I'm a jungle lover basically. So yeah, yeah, I
Cool.
love traveling.
Yeah. So you aren't scared of the jungle at all?
Basically like if we go to like full of security, and if we have our own car and we sit in the car, so I think the animals cannot harm to us.
Yeah.
Like if we harass the animal, so yeah, he will definitely attack. He will definitely attack to
Yeah,
us.
he will attack you for sure.
Yeah.
That's scary. What about tigers? Do you have tigers in the jungle?
Yeah, obviously, there are a lot of tigers in the jungle. Like, I have been in the zoo
Mhm.
once, so I've seen the tigers and I made the video there. So yeah, that was my first time. So I was too happy that time that oh wow, I'm seeing a tiger in
Yeah,
reality. Yeah, so it was
that's
very yeah.
that's really cool. I love we call them the woods here because we don't have jungles in America.
Yeah.
Um so I'm a woods lover. Same as you. You're a jungle lover. I'm a woods lover. I like that kind of environment. So yeah, that's cool.
So like, have you ever seen snow?
What is that?
Snow.
Oh, snow.
Yeah.
Like the white stuff that falls from the sky?
Yeah.
Yeah. Um, I have, but it wasn't like soft. It was hard. Hard snow. Yeah,
Yeah.
so
So
it wasn't fun.
crazy. Yeah.
Do you
But
have you ever seen snow?
no, I haven't seen snow before, but I would like to see snow. Like, there is a my neighbor state, the Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. So basically, like, I'm making a plan to go there to seeing snow. But now the season has gone, so maybe in the next season I'll go there.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it's
Yeah.
my dream to see the snow.
Yeah. That'll be
Yeah,
fun.
yeah.
Um, well, it looks like we have about 30 seconds until
Yeah.
our conversation is over, but I really enjoyed talking to you.
Yeah, same here. Thank you for joining. Thank you for
Yeah,
accepting the request.
yeah, you're welcome. I hope you learn and get better English. I hope it works out for you and your business too.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Okay,
you're
bye.
welcome. All right, bye. Have a good day.
Have a good night. Good day, sorry.
Thank you.
Yeah.